What's up, guys? We are heading outside right now. Nature. We're gonna touch some grass and check out our garden. God, it's bright. We're gonna touch some grass. That's proof I touched grass. Wait. This is our garden. We got radishes. I forgot what these were. I think these are cucumbers. So yeah, these ones. I don't know those ones. No, these are corn. These are tomatoes. We got some snap peas, and they're way taller than me. Me to the snap peas. That's crazy, bro. As tall as me. Yep. These ones. Are growing. I go up this ladder, we can see our whole garden. Haha, snap peas, I'm taller. Alright. See our whole garden. So yeah, this is our garden video. Yup, so make sure to like and subscribe. So, peace. Actually, one more thing. We got a video on this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. It's a part 2, so has part 1 and part 2. We're going to Frozen Ocean, a night race. So yeah, make sure to hop on this channel at oh, what's up? I'm just telling them about the dirt bike race this weekend.
Wait, come here.
Alright. Look at my bike.
We got new gear.
This is my bike.
We got new gear. Costly 44.
Hannah's costly 44.
And I made a new squishy.
My beautiful bike. And then if we go over here is Hannah's bike. And that's pretty much all for today's video.
Night race, here we come on Saturday.
So,
That's just not my brother. That's just not
alright, so if we go to the calendar, move. Today is Tuesday.
1, 2, 3.
Today's Tuesday, 23rd, yeah. So,
Night race Saturday, day race Sunday.
So, on June 27th and June 28th, we're going to be having a day race.
Why am I
and
so
a
short?
night.
You guys can't see me. Okay. Yes.
So, yeah, make sure to go there today. Make sure to like and subscribe.
And check out my videos of me building squishy.
And Matt.
Yeah.